Hello friends, welcome to Forex Raja, your channel for the natural gas analysis for the month of February. Today is 25th January and we're going to look at the prices for 25th of January. So if you look at natural gas, if I look at the daily trend from the last 1 month, or even let's take a 1 year trend that I'm trying to look at natural gas. The 1 year trend, as the year started with a high and goes a low, then forms a head and shoulder, and after that there's no recovery. If you see here, there has been no recovery. Again, another channel with no recovery in place. Right now the natural gas prices are at a very critical level, and I can explain that in a very simple way to you. All I would do is I would take a weekly data, and I would extend this all the way through to 2018, 19. Let's even include 17. All right, let's take this data here. And when we look at this data, right now the MCX is at a very critical stage. We're trading at around 256 levels, which is in US, if I have to talk about, it's $3.07. Now this is a very critical level, because just below 256, if prices start dropping below 256 Indian rupees, then the next support that I can see, the only support that I can see, is Indian rupees 245, which in US dollars converts to 3.0. And below 245, if we start falling, then we can go as low as 223 Indian rupees, or it can even be as low as 210 to 223 Indian rupees. That means only if we break this support of 245 below 256, we can end up at a low of 210 to 223, and that's what is forecasted for the next few days. And let's see how that goes. That means if I talk about the US dollars, we're talking about $3. If it breaks, the next support I can see is $2.88. And if $2.88 breaks on the natural gas, then the maximum I can expect is a $2.6 to 2.5 range. So you've still got a half dollar of downside left over here. There is high possibility that the prices could hit 245. We could hit this range of 245, and from 245 itself, there's a high possibility. Sorry, friends, from 245, that is Indian rupees 245, there's a high possibility that we could even get a reversal. So when you're looking at this chart, all I want you to focus is this number 245, and the current number where we have ended up day to day 256. Between 245 and 256, it's a small margin to sell, and all I want you to do is after 245 or below 245, one can take a sell call, look for a target of 210 to 223, and in this range from 210 to 223, there's a possibility of a bounce back, or at 245 there is a possibility of a bounce back again, way back, all up to 330 levels. If this bounce back does not happen, then we're going to see a downtrend, friends. Similarly, when we look at it from a dollar perspective on the same chart, I just want to plot it again, friends, for your visibility. I'm taking the data again, and I'm just going to plot it from a dollar perspective. From a dollar perspective, we are right now at $3.07. The first support that comes is $3.0, and below 3.0 the next support is 2.88, and below 2.88 dollars, the next thing that I can easily see is something in the range of 2.5 to 2.55 range, and that's the maximum down I can see at this point of time for the next 2 to 3 days. So let me connect with you again and share with you my thoughts on natural gas, and in the meanwhile, keep tracking the prices. We'll see you in the markets again, friends. Thank you so much. Bye bye.